Introduction to 5G LTE settings. Functions include mobile data, data roaming, IP type, 464XLAT, manual DNS configuration, MTU, network mode. Enter website 192.168.88.1. The default password is admin. You can set the mobile data switch. Set up data roaming here. IP6 and IPv4 can be used together, or IPv6 or IPv4 can be used alone. 464XLAT provides a simple and scalable technology that enables privately addressed IPv for clients to connect to IPv for hosts over an IPv6 network. Why do we need to set up DNS manually? Usually, the broadband operator will assign us a DNS server. This DNS is usually the fastest and closest server. In NSA mode, 5G and 4G core networks are interconnected, and the architecture is more complex, resulting in slightly higher latency. In SAW mode, the architecture is relatively simple, so the latency will be lower.